Hello, Mark here, and welcome to this Lightroom Quick, where I show you how to complete an action within a task. So you know what you want to do, but it's just one particular thing within that action. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, ask a question in the comment. And today's action is how to change what Adobe considers as your original file in the new duplicate functionality in Lightroom Classic 15.4 and higher. So let's jump across to Classic. So here I'm in Lightroom Classic. I'm actually running version 15.4.1 as there was a bug found in the 15.4 update. So I want to change what Classic considers, or Adobe considers, is my original. Original is the one that's first imported. And we can do that over the whole catalogue. We can do that over a folder or a collection. And I describe, especially when we use the library filter bar, we ask questions. Where do I want to look is the first question. That is in a folder, a collection, the whole catalogue. And then we use our filters to actually say, oh, date, camera, picked, keyword, etc. And we move left to right. So I'm going to start on the left-hand side of the screen. And actually, I want to look in my whole catalogue, not in my single drive of 3,913 images. I want to look in the whole catalogue, which in this case is the same number. So I'm going to come to Catalogue panel, all photographs. That's every photograph, irrespective of what drive it is stored on. So I could have 3 or 4 drives. It's going to look at all those images. Then I'm going to ask my next question, which is show me all my duplicates. So I come down to the toolbar. If you don't see it, you press T on your keyboard and we have this new icon. Click on the icon for duplicate finders and I've deliberately got 3 duplicates in there. Now, if I click on the stack, this will expand the stack and I have 2 images. Now, which is the original? Classic, as default, will say the first one imported. So this is the original. But I've edited this, or perhaps it might be in a collection. I'll have some additional tags down the bottom here. It's in a collection. That will tell me it's the original. I know that information. Classic assumes something. It doesn't assume what we know. So I know this is the image that I want to keep. Now, depending on your workflow, I could just literally hit delete and remove. That removes it from your catalogue, or delete from disk. That will delete it from the image. It doesn't matter how Classic has categorized it, original or not. If I just literally hit the delete button, that deletes it. But the purpose of this quick is, how do I change what Adobe considers as my original file? Well, I highlight the one that I want to change, which is, in this case, is 2 of 2. I go right click, set as original, and that now is the original file. And you can see it says 1 of 2. And that's 2 of 2, which is now set as the duplicate. So I hope today's Lightroom Quick has been of help for you. Please like and subscribe. If you've got a question, leave it in the comments. Additionally, on the 14th of July 2026, I'm hosting a live workshop all about the workflow of duplicate removal. In my work catalogue, I've got well over 500,000 images because of my legacy workflow of backup. In the old days, we used to backup upon backup upon backup. Now, we incremental backup. So I've got lots of duplicates. And I have worked out a workflow that guarantees 100% that I do not delete my keepers. And I'd like to share that with you as a part of a discussion. How do you do your duplicate finder? Do you use a legacy plugin like I used to do that looked at EXIF data? Well, I hope you'd like to join us. Links on the screen or in the description. And if you've got any questions, please leave it in the comments. Happy editing.